Good people, welcome to ICO Reviews, and thank you very much for taking your time to watch my video. It means a lot to me. Thank you. And today I'm going to review Eternal Trust ICO. What is it all about? All of us has dreams we want to achieve, and when we want to do that, we open a trust fund. Are you thinking about your getting retired someday? Are you thinking of having a goal for the future which you will not be able to achieve now, but you think it will be achieved in the future? Are you thinking about charity? There are many things on our mind, many things we dream about, but Eternal Trust will make that happen. Kiri says Eternal Trust can make your financial, intellectual, and biological legacy matter in the future. Now let's go. Dynasty. Do you care about your children, your parent, your family? And some of us, or some persons who are from developing worlds, whose parents has nothing to rely on, no government support. Now you care so much about your parents. Some persons live in countries where there's no much of government support. Now they think about what happens to them if they have to die. What will become of their children or of their wife? Now Eternal Trust can help you to achieve that. Are you thinking of charity? Are you thinking of giving to millions of children who has no parents to call their own? Are you thinking of retirement? Now, are you thinking of research and all the rest? Well, Eternal Trust is here for you. Now, let me play you a video and let's see a little more what they have to achieve.
Life in the future and to fulfill their dream. Let's imagine a potential client. This is someone with a dream that is impossible to fulfill at this instant, but a dream that is potentially doable in the future. To enter the dream into the system, the client completes a form on the Eternal Trust's website. The dream could involve anything from creating a genetically identical clone to landing on Mars one day. We then suggest the best path towards accomplishing the dream. That path involves making use of services such as storing the client's biomaterial for as long as necessary. We specify an objective for our service platform and generate a smart contract that securely and privately maintains the encrypted agreement. The smart contract is then automatically executed when it becomes possible to fulfill the client's dream technologically, legally, and ethically. The specified biomaterial, such as DNA, stem cells, brain, or the entire body, is preserved at ultra-low temperatures through optimized protectant and cooling procedures. We have partnered with several of the best clinics and research institutions worldwide that specialize in long-term storage of biomaterials. Brain tissue and whole brains are stored with particular attention to avoiding and minimizing any potential information loss, and these procedures are conducted once that becomes possible legally. After the initial agreement, the next step is to create a purpose trust. Eternal Trusts provides the client with a wallet into which the client transfers funds exclusively dedicated to executing the purpose of the trust. Its creation includes a trust deed, an enforcer, a protector, and a holding company. In this structure, clients' funds will be applied to nothing except the specific indicated purpose. In the meantime, for as many years as necessary, our investment strategy is managing funds of the trusts by using a unique algorithm that invests in assets when they are demonstrably undervalued from a collection of 11 asset classes. Extreme care is taken that funds will never lose value throughout the years, but will grow instead. The client can choose a contract term between 50 years and eternity, depending on the specified contract objective. The Eternal Trust system will operate independently and autonomously up to the moment when fulfillment of the client's dream has become possible. Eternal Trusts will be continued.
So let me pause the video. You can see what it's all about. So when you lock up your token there, you have the guarantee, the hope that the token will not this value, but it continue to get value. And imagine how would it be if you decide to have a trust fund maybe of $10,000 and you lock up a token that worth $10,000 there, and by the time your project is ready to execute, it's like 100x, 10x, 500x, or 1000x, depending on the market. That would be awesome. Now let's go back to the website. Let's scroll down more. Now here we are. This is the CEO, Kirill Silvestrov. I hope I pronounced the name well. I think this looks like a Russian name also. Mark Lee, head of legal, and all the rest. These are the team members. Now, one of the things we want to see, and Vladimir Nikitin is also one of the team members. This guy is popular. He's well known. He's involved in, I think, a number of ICOs. These are advisors. You can see a lot of community here. So now, one of the things we care about in ICOs is we want to know if the team members are real. Are they going to scam us? Are they true? Are all these photos, are they real or are they Photoshop? Now I have good news for you. Please watch. Now this is the CEO. You seen him? Now look at the video here. This is the guy.
Preserving your body for another life, or for example using your stem cells to treat a life-threatening disease. In fact, each and every one of these has been researched by worldwide famous scientists who have come to the conclusion that this is going to be our future. How long are the actual technological developments going to take? No one can say for sure.
So, why I'm playing this video for you is to see that this is real. I mean, this is a video made by the CEO himself, so you can rest assured that this is real. This is not a scam. If this is a scam, they will not be showing themselves. The CEO will not be making the videos, and you can check through their YouTube channel. You can check, and I mean, you can see interview with the CEO and different interviews they have made. So I'm really bullish about this. I really love this project. Now let's go here. This is their Twitter page. Imagine 10,300 followers, and it is huge. It's huge. So you can go to their Twitter and check it out more yourself for more information. Let's go to the Telegram. This is 11,730 member. Yeah, the number is encouraging. Now let's go down here. This is the white paper, and as I always do, whenever I'm reviewing an ICO, I check the white paper very well. I want to see, is the white paper copy and paste from one ICO or whatever? Is the ICO white paper, is it genuine? And I can tell you, from ICO reviews is telling that this white paper is unique. It is from them. It is not copy and paste. Now, also, they also inform you that any token that they will not be able to sell during the ICO, they will pawn those tokens. And if they do that, that means that the circulating supply of the token will be reduced, and that means more money for all the investors. Now, the starting price is 1 cent, because the total is 3 billion token. And the token sell, they will be selling 1.950 billion. So they will see over 1 billion token that they will be locking up, maybe for their team members, for advisors, and for marketing and all the rest. So this is the pre-sale, the token, and all the rest. So I encourage you to take your time to go through the white paper. And I say white paper is unique, it is real, and these team members are real. You can be assured of that. Let's go to ICO bench. They have 4.8 ratings and expert ratings here, so you can see 4.4 for the ICO profile, 5/5 for the team. You know, that is nice. 5/5 for vision, 4.8 for product. Now Their pre-ICO has ended and the ICO will begin. Okay, it has already begun, I mean. Now, the symbol for the token is ETT. Pre-ICO is 1 cent, but now this is 2 cents now. 2 cents for the ICO price. There's bonus available. And now, the soft cap is 7 million US dollars. What this means is that if they will be able to raise 7 million US dollars, then they can start the project. That's the minimum money they should be able to achieve. And they are based on Singapore. So you need to get whitelisted and you need KYC, that's know your customer. That means you have to send some of the maybe your data picture, your passport, and all the rest to really check for that. So just know that. So in your free time, take your time to go through the ICO bench ratings they have for them. So what is my conclusion about this? I believe this ICO is real. This is a real ICO, and they have a project that is unique that most persons are not even getting into. But remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Make your own decision. And I'm going to leave the link of the website below. All I want you to do is just click on it and sign up for the ICO. And please don't forget to subscribe. It won't take you a minute. Just click on the subscriber button and show me some love, like my video. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I love you a million times. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.